Okay, first of all, I'm gonna cut my pork into small pieces. Then I'm gonna put some salt on top. And then I'm gonna put some egg yolk in. Mix it up. Then put some flour in. Then I'm gonna cut up some red pepper, green pepper, and some tomato. Here we go. I'm gonna use some tomato sauce, a little bit salt, and 3 tablespoons sugars, a little bit vinegar, okay. I'm gonna boil some oil and then put all my meat inside, deep fry them all the way to golden brown skin color. Okay, now I'm gonna heat up my pan again and then put some oil in. Now I'm gonna put my tomato sauce in. Heat it up. And then I'm gonna put my green pepper, red pepper, and tomato into the sauce and fry them for a few minutes until they cook. Okay, when it's boiling, I'm gonna put some cornstarch in. Just want to make the sauce a little bit thicker. And after that, I'm just gonna put my pork back in and cook it together. Basically, I'm just trying to put the sauce on top, mix it up with my pork. There we go. Now I can just serve it on the plate.
Okay, second. What is that?
Hot. It's sour.
We have more sugar, right? Mm-hmm. But does it taste good?
It's good.
Chicken nugget?